Okay guys, so if you want to remove or delete Instagram notes, now this is new feature of Instagram after updated. So first just you have to uninstall this Instagram app. Okay, so just delete this application, and then now you have to open your web browser. I am showing you the trick very fast. And now after you go to your web browser, and web browser you can go, and then here you have to search Instagram old version. Okay, you have to search Instagram old version in your web browser, in your PC or your smartphone, and then you can see here is first website, Instagram old versions. So just click on this all versions, and then you can see here all Instagram app all version are here. So just you have to click on July month. Okay, so I select here July. Okay, like this you can see here. Here is one option, updated August to 2022. So then you have to search July month, all the updates of July. So suppose here is one update of July month, updated on July 10 21 2022. So just click on this. Okay, just click on this, and here is one ad, and then simply you have to click on this download APK option, and then this app will be downloaded in APK file. So I wait until it's download, and then you can see here this file has been downloaded, Instagram July updated version. So install this in your smartphone. Okay, now this app has been installed. So I open this Instagram July version 2022. Okay, this is opening. Now your problem will be solved. Now this your notes will not be shown. So now I log in here first. You have to log in your ID of Instagram. I log in it here first. Okay, now you can see here I have logged into my ID. So just click on this message icon, and now simply you can see here is no any error, or here is no any option of your notes. This new update has been solved. Okay, I show you the live proof. You can see here, you can try this method if you want to get satisfaction. So this is the method guys, you can remove or delete this Instagram new feature of your notes. Okay, so this is the trick, simple trick. You have to download July update from this website, link is in the description. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye bye guys.